Dear students, now I am going to explain the poem The Road Not Taken. Here the poet Robert Frost, while traveling on foot, reaches at a point of the woods where two roads are separated. He has to choose the one road among them. On this backdrop, the poem starts. Now I am explaining the poem stanza wise. Stanza 1. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. The stanza says that the speaker reaches at a point on the road of life where he has to decide which is the better one among the two equally choices. After taking decisions, he cannot change them if they are wrong. He cannot start all over again from the beginning. Stanza 2. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was gracy and wanted where, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. This stanza says that the speaker prefers the road which is less worn and less travelled at first glance. The selection suggests that he has an independent spirit and never follows the others. After a moment, he concludes that both roads are about equally worn. Stanza 3. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. This stanza says that both roads are equally covered with leaves, as no one prefers to take either road in the morning. The leaves on the roads lie undisturbed. The speaker takes the road that he has previously selected, saying that he will save the other road for another day. He also observes that he will never pass this way again, so never have a chance to take other road. Stanza 4. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. This stanza says that the speaker will be telling others about the choice he made. While telling so, he will sigh either with relief that he made the right choice or with regret that he made the wrong choice. But right or wrong, whatever may be, the choice will have a significant impact on his life.